Magandang araw! Today, I'll teach you how to get a Certificate of Rating through the Licensure Examination and Registration Information System, LERIS, on the Professional Regulation Commission, PRC website using mobile phone. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing to the channel or liking the video. Salamat! Straight to the point. Let's open your Google browser. You can simply search PRCLERIS or directly type online.prc.gov.ph in your URL bar. Once you've found the site, open it. Inside, tap Proceed to see the privacy notice. You can read through the notice, and once you're done, scroll to the very bottom and click I have read, understood, and agree with the PRC privacy notice. Click it. Another PRC notice will pop up. Read it, scroll down, then click Close. A step-by-step guide pop-up will appear next. Tap Close again. Now we're finally here. To renew, let's log in first. Scroll down and click Sign In. Enter your email address and password, then tap I'm not a robot. After that, click Sign In. An appointment slots are free pop-up will appear. Tap Proceed. Now we're inside our PRC account. To renew, scroll down and click Select Transaction. Please read the important reminder to avoid delays or disapproval and make sure to follow the photo requirements shown. Once you've completed all the requirements, tap I agree, then click Proceed. Another advisory pop-up will appear. If it doesn't apply to you, click OK. Then another advisory will show up. Click OK again. There are different types of transactions here. Now let's click Certification. Scroll down and under Certificate, select Certificate of Rating. For profession, select Professional Teacher. Next, enter your application number. You can find this in your Notice of Admission, NOA. Here's what it looks like. I'll show you a quick picture. Just in case you forgot your application number, you can click the link provided to retrieve it. After entering your application number, type the number of copies you want. Then, select a purpose. Let's choose Local. Now click Proceed to continue. An appointment slots are free pop-up will appear again. Click Proceed. If you already have another transaction scheduled, PRC will ask if you want to have the same appointment date as the one detected earlier. This is very helpful to save time, money, and effort. Click Accept. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Yes. Your scheduled date will now be adjusted, meaning your PRC ID renewal and Certificate of Rating will be on the same date. Click OK to proceed. Here's the fee for the certification. It's just 75 pesos. Scroll down to view your appointment details. To complete the transaction, choose a payment method. I'll pay via bank transfer, so I'll choose the first option. You'll see a transaction summary. Please note that the total is now 83 pesos because of an 8 peso convenience fee. Click Submit to continue. Since I'll pay via Marybank, formerly Cbank, I'll choose QRPH. Now, scan the QR code using your Marybank app. The transfer details will appear. Click Next. A payment confirmation screen will appear. Click Confirm to proceed. Once your transfer is successful, go back to the payments portal to check if it already reflects. Now our payment is successful. To double-check, go back and look under existing transactions. You'll see the reference number and payment details. Just show these to the PRC counter. And that's it. It's really that simple. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and God bless.